An amazing tool that you can use with your paraprofessionals and virtual learning is the Osmo. Now, this is something that I had in my classroom before we went to remote teaching. And this has been a lifesaver for both myself and my paraprofessionals during virtual learning. All you need really is this little reflector piece. However, you can purchase just the reflector for $10, or you can purchase the reflector and the base for $39. Okay, so to use the Osmo during a virtual meeting, you just need 4 things. You need an Osmo, an iPad or a Kindle, you need the Zoom app or the Google Meets app, and the Osmo projector app. So first you're going to place your Osmo reflector on top of your iPad over the camera. Next, you're going to open Zoom and join the Zoom meeting. Okay, and after you get into your Zoom meeting, you're going to want to share your screen. So just like you do in a Zoom meeting, you click on the green Share Content, and then you're going to share your screen. Next, you need to start broadcast, and then you're going to open the Osmo Projector app. Once the app has opened, you're able to start sharing your activities. So here you can see we're going to do a counting activity. My students can see exactly what we're working on. 1, 2, 3. You can also use this with stories, and the students can see exactly, it's not flipped or anything. It's a beautiful resource. Here I've switched my base that I was using, which is this one, out with the traditional Osmo base. If you prefer to use this and not purchase a separate base, I just wanted to show you it still works just fine. Now, joining the Zoom meeting with the Osmo is my preferred method of using the Osmo Projector app because you don't need any fancy cords and it works just fine.